Good morning, mindful travelers. It is 2 a.m., about 2:30, and we're about to leave for the airport. Where are we going, Sarah?
We're going to Portland, Oregon.
Can't wait. All right, see you on the other side.
Hey there, mindful travelers. Coming to you live from Dallas, Texas. My favorite thing about sitting down on an airplane is I get to look out the window. Don't forget to travel mindfully. Bye.
Hey there, mindful travelers. Coming to you live from DFW Airport on our layover. So, in our family, we prefer to do road trips, but if you do fly, it does get you from place to place much quicker, and we highly recommend that you find a layover in your flight. Not too long, but just long enough that you have time to stretch your legs, go wander around, and search for a Whataburger like we are right now. Hope you have a great day, and don't forget to travel mindfully.
Make sure you have all of your belongings and